Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the gaming review, heat test and the battery drain test of the 10RD phone. So guys, here's the phone, and before we get started, let's look at the Antutu and Geekbench scores. So guys, I'll start the gaming review with Asphalt 8, but before we get started, I'm just gonna start a timer and I'm gonna play games continuously for 1 hour and then we'll check the battery life to see how much battery has drained. Before we get started, the current battery percentage is 56%. Now I'll start the timer and open Asphalt 8. I'm also clearing apps just in case. And start. By the way guys, all the games are in default settings. I didn't change any graphic settings for any of these games. In fact, I didn't play any of these games or open any of these games till now. So guys, that was the end of first race. Now let's check the temperature. On the back it is 38 degrees. That's the maximum temperature after one race with 2 laps. And on the front it is 37 degrees. And that's it. And the phone feels pretty normal. It's not hot or warm at all. Now coming to the gaming, visuals were all pretty blank. I couldn't see any good visuals out there, but there was no lag. That's one good thing. So you can play Asphalt 8 as much as you want, but visuals aren't that great. So guys, the current time is 9 minutes and I'll be playing the same game for another 5 to 6 minutes and then check the temperature once again. So guys, I've been playing games continuously for the past 15 minutes. That's the Asphalt 8. Now let's check the temperature. On the back it is still 38 degrees. Okay, it's 39 degrees after 15 minutes of gameplay and 37 degrees on the front. By the way, room temperature is 27 degrees. So guys, now I'll stop Asphalt 8 and play Modern Combat 5. Whenever there is an enemy, there's a significant lag, so mostly this game is not playable. So guys, there was a lot of lag whenever the enemy is there, and when there was no enemy, the game was pretty smooth. Visuals were decent. On the front, maximum temperature is 38 degrees and on the back it is 41 degrees. By the way, that's at the top. At the bottom it's still 38, 37 and at the top it is 41 degrees. And now phone feels slightly warm but totally manageable. So it's been 5 minutes since I've been playing Modern Combat 5. I'll play this game for another 10 minutes and then check the temperature. So guys, this is the situation with Modern Combat 5. it just froze, stuck over there. And as I've said, gameplay was pretty horrible. It was lagging a lot whenever there are enemies. So it's been 10 minutes since I've been playing Modern Combat 5. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 40 degrees. And on the back it is 42 degrees. So there you go. Oh, it's on 43 degrees on the back. So phone now feels slightly warm, but still manageable. Next I'll play Shadow Fight. By the way guys, I'm playing all these games back to back and there's no fan or AC in the room. So I'm just trying to push this device to its limits and then check the temperature. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 12 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. It is 41 degrees, 42 degrees on the front and 43 degrees on the back. Now the phone feels warm. Now coming to the gaming experience, there was no lag, visuals were good, everything was okay. And you can play this game uninterrupted for a long time. Next I'll play Implosion. So guys, that was Implosion and I played it around 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. By the way, visuals are great. There was no lag throughout the gameplay. 40 degrees on the front and 42 degrees, 43 degrees on the back. Phone feels warm, still manageable. By the way guys, this is a free game, but you have to make in-game purchases. You can play up to free for just 2 levels. But still it's a pretty good game. Next I'll be playing Riptide Renegade. So guys, I've been playing the Riptide Renegade for 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. It is 41 degrees on the front, 41 degrees on the front, and 43 degrees on the back. So that's pretty good, and the visuals are good and the gameplay was very smooth. This game is playable. By the way guys, this is one of these games that really kills the CPU and GPU. Finally, I'll play Geometry Wars 3, and I'm just gonna play that for just 5 minutes or just one level, and then finally check the temperature and the battery percentage. So guys, that was the Geometry Wars, the final game, and the temperature on the front was 40 degrees and on the back it is 43 degrees. By the way guys, there was no lag in this gameplay. This game was playable. So it has been 1 hour since I've been playing games. Now let's check the battery percentage. So guys, after 1 hour of usage, battery percentage is 38%. So the phone used 28% of battery for 1 hour of gaming. So that's pretty decent, I would say. Now, I didn't close any of these apps. So let's see which of these apps are still in memory. The last game was Geometry Wars. By the way, I have the 3GB RAM variant. Next, I played Riptide Renegade. This is closed. Next, I'll open... Okay, Shadow Fight is still in memory. Next, I'll play Implosion. So it was able to keep up to 3 games in memory. Modern Combat 5, for some reason it closed, and I don't expect Asphalt 8 to be in memory. Wow. So memory management is simply awesome. Out of the 6 games I played, this phone was able to keep 4 games in memory even while I was playing games. So that's really impressive. So guys, that was the gaming review and the heat test and the battery drain test. Now I'm gonna push this phone even further. I'm gonna take pictures continuously for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. So here's the camera app. Now let's get started. Now start. So guys, that was 3 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, it reached 42 degrees. 42 degrees on the front and 45 degrees on the back. Phone feels slightly warm, but once again it is still manageable. Not a big deal. So just in case if you're wondering about how many pictures I took, on the whole I've taken about 266 images in just 3 minutes, and phone reached a maximum temperature of 45 degrees on the back. When I finished the gaming review, battery percentage was 38% and now it is 34%. So for 3 minutes of intensive camera usage, phone used around 4% of battery life. So guys, you can play most of the games on this phone without any issues, but if you play high-end games, you might see some lag or the visuals won't be that good. By the way, if you're going to buy this phone, get the 32GB variant. That's at 6,000 rupees. 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage is definitely worth it for just an extra 1,000 rupees. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.